Hello, my learners. Welcome back to Sir Daniel's Maths and Science class. Today we have this maths problem on the board. Let's dive into it real quick. Okay, so the question says find the true set of 1/3 x minus 1/4 multiplying s plus 2 greater than 3s minus one whole number, 1 out of 3. And then when we are done, we should represent our answer on the number line. Okay, so this question is coming from linear inequality. So let's solve it. Okay, so we have 1/3 x minus 1/4 x plus 2 greater than 3x minus one whole number, 1 out of 3. Okay, so since we have mixed numbers here, let's change it into improper fraction before we start to solve. It will give us 1/3 x minus 1/4 x plus 2 greater than 3x minus, so changing this one, we use the whole number to multiply the denominator. The answer that we get, we add it to the numerator and then over the 3 here. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that gives us 4 out of 3. So 4 over 3. Okay. Now let's get rid of the fractions. The 1 over 3, the 1 over 4, and then the 4 over 3. So before we can do that, you have to find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions. So the LCM of 3, 4, and 3 is 12. So we use 12 to multiply through so that we can get rid of the fractions. Okay, so let's do it. So 12 will multiply 1/3 x minus 12 will multiply 1/4 x plus 2 greater than 12 multiplying 3x minus 12 multiplying 4 out of 3. Okay, so let's cancel it out. So 3 goes to itself, 1 goes into 12 4 times. So 4 times 1 gives us 4x here. Then here 4 goes to itself, 1 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times this one is 3. So we get minus 3 here, and then this bracket is here, s plus 2 greater than, then 12 times 3 is 36. So we get 36x here minus 3 goes into 12 4 times, and then 4 times 4 is 16. So we get 16 here. Okay, so let's continue simplifying it. So now we have 4x here minus, then 3 times x give us 3x. Then minus 3 times 2 give us minus 6. So we get minus 6 here greater than 36x minus 16. Okay, let's continue. So now we have 4x here minus 3x minus 6 greater than 36x minus 16. Okay, so let's continue simplifying this. So 4x minus 3x give us x. So we get x here minus the 6 here greater than 36x minus 16. Okay, let's continue. So let's group like terms. So the s on this side and then the numbers without s this side. So we have x here, then this one I'll put the sign to give us minus 36x. Then greater than, we have minus 16 here. This one I'll put the sign to give us plus 6. Okay, let's continue. So now we have this. So x minus 36s is minus 35x greater than, then minus 16 plus 6 give us minus 10. Okay, now we want the value of x, so we divide both sides by minus 35. So here over minus 35, here also over minus 35. Okay, so this one cancels this. Then we get x. Because of the minus sign here, this sign also reverses or changes direction. So because of the minus sign, this sign also becomes less than. Then minus will cancel minus, and then we get 10 out of 35. And then 5 can divide 10 at the same time divide 35. Therefore, 5 goes into 10 2 times. So 5 goes to 10 2 times, and then 5 goes into 35 7 times. So out of 7. So the final answer is S less than 2 out of 7. Then the way he said, find the true set. So after you are done, you write the true set. Therefore, true set is, so you put it in the curly bracket. So true set is S is said that S is less than 2 out of 7. Then you close it. So this is the true set. When you do not bring it, they are going to deduct you some marks. Okay. So, and then we should represent our answer on the number line. So let's represent our answer on the number line. Therefore, number line, this gives us. Okay, so we mark the middle here, which is 0. And then numbers to the right, they are positive numbers. So let's say we have 1 here, we have 2 here, and then we have 3 here. And then to this side is negative. So we have here -1, -2, let's say -3. So our final answer is S less than 2 out of 7. So 2 out of 7 is less than 1. So 2 out of 7 is less than 1, so it meaning it will come somewhere here. So let's place it here. So here will be 2 out of 7. Good. And then the sign goes this way, so it means our arrow must also go that way. So we draw a circle here, and then our arrow also goes this way. So that's the final answer. So if you found this helpful, like, comment, subscribe for next episode. Thank you.